When it comes to fishing, having the right gear can make all the difference in your success on the water. Among the essential components of any angler's toolkit is the spinning reel. This vital piece of equipment helps you cast your line with precision and reel in your catch with ease. This year, several spinning reels stand out for their performance, reliability, and user-friendly features. Let's explore what makes each of these reels a great choice for both novice and experienced anglers alike. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Number 5. PENN Spinning Reel. The PENN Spinning Reel has earned a solid reputation among fishing enthusiasts for its durability and performance. Crafted from a strong graphite body and rotor, this reel is built to withstand the rigors of saltwater fishing while remaining lightweight for ease of use. One of the standout features of the PENN is its stainless steel ball bearings, which ensure smooth operation even under the toughest conditions. Anglers appreciate the versatility of the battle as it's suitable for various fishing techniques, including freshwater and saltwater applications. What truly sets the PENN apart is its drag system. The HT100 drag washers provide exceptional stopping power, allowing you to control large fish with confidence. Whether you're battling a feisty striper or reeling in a hefty catfish, the battle's drag system enables you to adjust the tension smoothly, providing a seamless fishing experience. Additionally, the reel is available in multiple sizes, catering to different fishing styles and preferences. This range ensures that both light tackle and heavy-duty anglers can find a model that fits their specific needs. Beyond its performance, the PENN is also designed for comfort and convenience. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during long fishing sessions. Furthermore, the anti-twist line roller helps prevent tangling, which can be a major annoyance when you're out on the water. Overall, the PENN Spinning Reel combines robust construction, smooth operation, and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for anglers looking to elevate their fishing game. Number 4. Diwa Spinning Fishing Reel. Next on our list is the Diwa Spinning Fishing Reel, which has gained traction among anglers for its affordability and impressive performance. The Diwa reel features a high-strength graphite body and rotor, making it lightweight without compromising durability. This balance of weight and strength allows anglers to enjoy extended fishing trips without the added strain on their arms and shoulders. One of the defining characteristics of the Diwa spinning reel is its smooth drag system. It utilizes precision machining technology to deliver a powerful and consistent drag experience. The drag system can handle significant pressure, allowing anglers to tackle larger fish confidently. The reel also incorporates a double-sealed design, making it more resistant to water and debris, which is especially beneficial for those who fish in challenging environments. Anglers will also appreciate the sleek design of the Diwa reel. Its modern aesthetic and lightweight structure are appealing to both seasoned veterans and newcomers to the sport. The 5.2-to-1 gear ratio provides a quick retrieve rate, ensuring you can bring in your catch swiftly. Additionally, the reel comes with an aluminum spool that enhances casting distance and accuracy. This feature is particularly beneficial when targeting fish that require long-distance casts, as it helps you reach deeper waters with ease. Comfort is another key factor in the Diwa Spinning Fishing Reel's design. The handle is ergonomically designed, allowing for easy manipulation during retrieves. The reel is also equipped with an anti-twist line roller that minimizes tangling and line twist, giving you peace of mind while fishing. Overall, the Diwa Spinning Fishing Reel is an excellent choice for anglers seeking a balance of performance, comfort, and affordability. Number 3. Quantum Optix Spinning Fishing Reel. The Quantum Optix Spinning Fishing Reel is another contender for the best spinning reel of this year. Known for its reliability and solid construction, the Optix offers anglers a dependable option for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. This reel is designed with a composite body and rotor, ensuring it remains lightweight while providing the strength needed to handle various fishing conditions. A standout feature of the Quantum Optix is its continuous anti-reverse system, which provides instant hook setting capabilities. This feature is particularly useful when you have a quick strike, allowing you to set the hook effectively without the delay that can occur with traditional anti-reverse systems. Additionally, the reel features a multi-disc drag system that offers smooth adjustments and consistent drag pressure, ensuring you can control your catch effectively. The Quantum Optix also boasts a user-friendly design that enhances the overall fishing experience. The oversized bail wire allows for better line management and reduces the chances of line tangling. This feature is especially beneficial for beginners who may struggle with line management when first learning to cast. Furthermore, the soft touch handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during long fishing sessions. Anglers will also appreciate Optix's versatility. Available in various sizes, this reel caters to different fishing styles and environments, from freshwater lakes to saltwater coastlines. The Quantum Optix spinning fishing reel is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and user-friendly spinning reel that can adapt to various fishing scenarios. Number 2. PENN Spinfisher VI Spinning Fishing Reel. The PENN Spinfisher VI Spinning Fishing Reel is a true powerhouse designed for serious anglers. Renowned for its durability and performance in challenging conditions, the Spinfisher VI is a favorite among saltwater fishermen. One of the defining features of this reel is its fully sealed body and spool design, which keeps out saltwater and sand. This sealing system ensures longevity and performance even after repeated use in harsh environments. Another notable aspect of the PENN Spinfisher VI is its smooth drag system. Equipped with PENN's HT100 drag washers, the Spinfisher VI offers a smooth and reliable drag experience, allowing anglers to battle large fish without compromising control. The reel's drag can be easily adjusted, providing flexibility when fighting against various species, from large tuna to powerful sharks. The construction of the Spinfisher VI is also impressive, featuring a heavy-duty aluminum bail and a robust graphite body. These materials contribute to the overall strength and longevity of the reel. Anglers will appreciate the precision engineering that goes into each model, ensuring smooth retrieves and solid performance under pressure. The gear ratio of 5.6:1 provides a balanced retrieve speed, making it easy to reel in your catch effectively. In terms of comfort, the Spinfisher VI does not disappoint. The oversized handle knob offers a comfortable grip, and the reel's overall design minimizes fatigue, allowing for prolonged fishing sessions without discomfort. Additionally, the PENN Spinfisher VI is available in various sizes, making it suitable for different fishing styles and preferences. For anglers looking for a durable and high-performing spinning reel that can tackle the challenges of saltwater fishing, the PENN Spinfisher VI is an excellent choice. Number 1. Garcia Max Pro Spinning Fishing Reel. Rounding out our list is the Garcia Max Pro Spinning Fishing Reel, a fantastic option for anglers seeking a blend of performance and affordability. The Max Pro features a lightweight graphite body that allows for easy handling, making it suitable for long fishing trips. This design ensures that anglers can fish for hours without feeling weighed down by their equipment. One of the standout features of the Garcia Max Pro is its advanced drag system. The drag is designed to deliver smooth and consistent pressure, which is essential for battling various fish species. Anglers will find the drag easy to adjust, allowing for quick modifications during fights. This versatility makes the Max Pro ideal for anglers who often switch between different fishing techniques or target multiple species. The Max Pro also incorporates a unique bail system that enhances line management and reduces the likelihood of tangling. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners who may struggle with line tangles when casting. The reel's smooth retrieve system and precision bearings ensure that each cast is effortless, providing a seamless fishing experience. Comfort is a key consideration in the Max Pro's design. The soft touch handle provides a comfortable grip, and the overall layout of the reel promotes easy handling during retrieves. Additionally, the Garcia Max Pro is available in various sizes, making it adaptable for both freshwater and light saltwater applications. For anglers seeking a reliable spinning reel that combines performance with affordability, the Garcia Max Pro is a standout choice. In conclusion, choosing the right spinning reel can significantly impact your fishing experience. The PENN Battle Spinning Reel, Diwa Spinning Fishing Reel, Quantum Optix Spinning Fishing Reel, PENN Spinfisher VI Spinning Fishing Reel, and Garcia Max Pro Spinning Fishing Reel each offer unique features and benefits that cater to different fishing styles and preferences. Whether you prioritize durability, drag performance, or ease of use, there is a spinning reel on this list to meet your needs. Investing in a high-quality spinning reel can enhance your overall fishing experience, making it more enjoyable and successful. As you prepare for your next fishing adventure, consider these top contenders and you'll be well equipped to tackle the waters with confidence. Happy fishing!